Friends, Yoga Nidra, or yogic sleep, is a guided meditation practice that promotes deep relaxation and conscious awareness. Here's a step-by-step guide. First step, choose a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Second step, lie down on your back in Shavasana, the corpse pose. Use a blanket for warmth and a cushion under your head or knees for support if needed. Third step, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax completely. Fourth step, mentally state a positive affirmation or intention for the practice. This could be something you want to achieve or a quality you wish to develop. Fifth step, bring your awareness to different parts of your body, usually starting from the right side. Systematically move through each part, focusing your attention on it and relaxing it. Sixth step, pay attention to your natural breath. Feel the breath as it moves in and out without trying to control it. Seventh step, notice any sensations in your body without judgment. This might include feelings of heaviness or lightness, warmth or coolness. Eighth step, visualize images or scenes as guided by the instructor. This helps to deepen the state of relaxation. Ninth step, repeat your initial intention or affirmation mentally, reinforcing its presence. 10th step, gradually bring your awareness back to your breath and then to your physical body. Slowly begin to move and stretch before gently opening your eyes. 11th step, take your time to sit up slowly and transition back to normal activity. Reflect on the experience and how you feel. So friends, this is the procedure of performing the Yoga Nidra. Practicing Yoga Nidra regularly can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and enhance overall well-being.